Oh, nice to see you sa aking live. Oh, eto para sa iyo. Alam ko paborito mo tong kantang to eh. Isang kanta na parang kino-compare yung pagmamahal sa isang Tennessee Whiskey. Alright, okay, para sa iyo. Kakantahin ko tong Tennessee Whiskey. Anyway, this song is for Chiara. Magandang umaga sa iyo, Chiara. Ang ating kaibigan. Alright, okay, Chiara. Tennessee Whiskey, a song for you. Especially for you. I used to spend my nights out in the ballroom. Liquor was the only love I know. But you rescued me from reaching for the bottom and brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee Whiskey. You're as sweet as a strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and honey, I stay so under the love all the time. I've been looked out for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle always right. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. Yeah, you're as smooth as Tennessee Whiskey. You're sweet as a strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and only I stay stoned on your love all the time. Yeah. Whoa. Parang sumasablay pa yung falsetto ko. Napakaaga pa kasi Chiara eh. Chiara, shout out. Na-appreciate ko yan. Thank you very much. Nga pala yung account niya kasi masyadong secretive kasi siya eh. Ayaw niyang, baka kasi pag yung account niya kasi, iniisip niya, baka yung mga supporter ko mawala. Pagka nalaman nila na, secret lang natin yan, Chiara. Oo. Hindi kasi yung account niya walang name. Walang name yung account niya. Parang lang yung alam mo yung falling leaf. Yun yung niya eh. Falling leaf yung kanyang account name. Hindi pa mainit ang karburador. Oo. Kakaumpisa ko lang din. Kakaumpisa ko pa lang. At a glass of brandy, and honey, I stay sold on your love all the time. Though you're smooth as Tennessee Whiskey. Oo, Chiara. Okay lang ba yung ko? Okay lang ba yung cowboy hat ko? Hindi ba OA? Or hindi ba mukhang cheap? Anong masasabi mo sa bagong bagong datingan? Okay lang ba? Hindi ba siya OA? Okay, I love it. Oh, thank you. Hindi, alam mo, Chara, actually, padala yan sa akin ng isang supporter ko. Oo, nagpadala siya ng... Kasi nga na, lagi niya naririnig na kumakanta ako lagi ng mga country music, no? So, naisipan niya magpadala ng cowboy hat. Sabi niya, oh sige, mag-polo ka lagi. Ito yung cowboy hat mo. Kahapon ko lang siya na-receive, no?